Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a lower back stretching session. So for this you will need a soft surface like a mat or a carpet. So let's get started and let's go. So the first exercise is down on the mat and we're just going to lie down on our back, and what we're going to do here is a pelvic tilt. So just tilt and straighten. Tilt and straighten. So we're just working the pelvis right now. Tilt, straighten. It's not a big movement, but it'll help release the lower back. Keep going. All right, rest. From here, we are going to bring our knees into our chest and hold. Just hold here. If you like, you can rock from side to side to ease out any stiffness that there might be. Keep going. Keep going. Hold still. Hold still. We are going to release the left leg now. Slowly release the left leg and straighten it out. Now with your hands, bring your right knee closer into your chest. Keep breathing. Hold here. Hold. Let's release the right leg now. Release. Bring your left leg into your chest and pull it closer with your hands. Hold here. Hold. Release. Again, we are going to bring our knees into our chest like this, 90 degrees. We're going to spread out our arms, and we are going to take a spinal twist by dropping the knees down to the right side. So let's do that slow and controlled. You'll feel the back stretch. Keep breathing. Relax your upper body. Feel the stretch in your waist and your back. Just hold here. If you want, you can look the other side like this, and you can take your right hand and try to push your knees down for a deeper stretch. Hold. We're going to lift back up. So arm back into position. Lift your knees up. Straighten out your head. And we're going to go onto the other side. Drop your knees gently and carefully onto the left side. Hold here. Again, you can look to the right, or you can look straight up. With your left hand, you can stretch out your knees for a deeper stretch. Hold. Keep breathing. Okay, we're going to get back into position. Put your feet down on the floor. Arms come back in, and we are going to lift up into a glute bridge. So in this position, we are just going to look straight up and lift up into a glute bridge. From here, you can clasp your hands under your back like this. Just hold here for a few seconds. Hold. Release your hands. Gently come on down. Now we are going to sit up. So gently roll yourself up. Adjust yourself on the mat, and we are going to bend forward. We're going to try to just touch the chest to the knee. Okay, and go as much as you can. With time and flexibility, it will improve. So up, forward. Release. From here, into a child's pose. Sit in this position with your knees slightly apart and bend forward. Your arms can be in front of you or beside you. Hold here and relax. Relax. Come on up into an all fours position. From here we are going to get into cat and cow. So arch your back. Again. Again. One last time. Arch your back. Release. From here, we are going to lie down on our stomach. Arms beside the shoulder, and we are going to lift up. Up. Feel this in your back. Lower back. Come on down. We're going to do that once more. Lift. Stretch. Come on down. From here, we're going to lift up and get into a downward dog position. So, just this. Lift up one leg, the other. Keep moving your legs. One more time. Hold. Hold here. Now I am going to walk back with my hands. If you are not very flexible, you can release this position and then get into the next position. So head to knee. You're just gonna hang here. Grab your elbows. And by now you should be in this position. Grab your elbows and just shake gently from side to side. Let your arms go. Hang. Now we are going to try to touch our chest to the knees. Go as far as you can. Flexibility will come with time. Release. Come on, back up. So that was our lower back stretching session. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.